Oh shit, guys, you already know where we are. We're in the Bailey Stevens garage. Backyard built in the front yard. Let's go. We got the turbo, or about to be turbo 280ZX, and we got a few stuff in today, so we're gonna check it out. Give a little update, but first, and before all of that, click the link down below. Purchase a Mad Spool sticker. Oh, look at that. Perfect product placement right there.
It's kind of crusty.
So, yeah, don't worry. You won't get a crusty one. But go pick one up. $5. It supports the build a ton, so every bit counts. But we got a few stuff in today for the 280Z project. So
started ordering parts already.
Just to prove that this is already going to be happening. So as if you didn't believe it already. But let's check it out.
Headers off a 82Z.
Not bad.
Just because they have, honestly, people have airflow tested the aftermarket ones. These have the same or better than a lot of aftermarket for this car.
Okay.
And it's a little cheaper than an aftermarket, like tubed one. So
yeah,
went with that because it'll bolt right on for sure, no problem. Then Mishimoto sent us some goodies.
Shout Mishimoto.
But mainly, the real thing I needed was sandwich plate. So we got a sandwich plate. Took some work, dude.
I thought that was a sneeze for a second.
Kind of winded after that.
Oh, damn.
Got a sandwich plate.
Alright, nice.
Got that going for us. So this is for oil, obviously for the turbo.
Yeah.
Oil. That. And we're well on our way. Turbo, and then fuel, and then making an exhaust and routing the intake somehow. And
everything's coming along.
Good to go.
Just giving you guys a little update tonight, and
we might go pick up some parts like gaskets and stuff up in heat wrap it.
Yeah, as you can see,
already get heat soak issues.
Already hitting it with the wire wheel brush.
It comes off, so. But like it comes off in like one pass. Like
that's
it's
good.
Just surface rust.
Yeah,
it's cast iron. It's not
yeah, so not bad at all. Looking good in the garage space, by the way. Cleaned out this little single bay area, and this is where it rests now. Better than being outside. Alright guys, we're here back, totally the same day, totally not 3 days later, but we got the cardboard set up, looking like we're about to have some breakdancing going on or something, but gotta keep the floors clean, but we're gonna get some more prep going. As you can see here, what is this, heat shielding or heat wrap?
Just heat wrap,
yeah. Genuine right there, so that's what Bailey did over the last few days right there, got all the surface rust off.
Got it all cleaned up, you know.
Got that going. Always ripping the cranberry Febreze, that's the way to go. There is no other Febreze that you should buy.
Might have had a small electrical fire.
Febreze, hit us up for that sponsorship. You already know. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. But all the parts are pretty much on the way. It's just a matter of waiting.
My gasket's at AutoZone.
Oh, nice.
It was never delivered.
Oh, thanks, Brandon. Nothing. Ooh, yeah, I'll show the interior now. It's been a few days. This is actually what caused the electrical fire. But as you can see,
it's almost there.
It's really close. Gotta do the little things before you can start adding boosts, so. Alright, so a few things that we're gonna address here about the setup. You wanna explain how you're going non-intercooled or whatever?
Oh,
let's bring it over here. A little lesson time here with the teacher.
The teacher?
The professor.
So, exhaust and intake are on the same side.
Weird.
Obviously you gotta pull everything. Yeah. Obviously you gotta pull everything off the intake. Pull the intake off. Pull the exhaust off, swap the manifold on, put the turbo on it, downpipe, and then all you gotta do, I'm going non-intercooled, that's money, and they're not intercooled from the factory. So
yeah, so the turbo variants of this car.
I'm only gonna go like 8 PSI to start, like to spool, you know, make some choo-choo noises, and we'll turn it up and see what it does. No blow-off valve, I want the turbo flutter.
There you go.
Even if it ruins the turbo, it's a cheap eBay turbo.
Yeah.
Which might be shipping from Hong Kong. So if this build doesn't happen for a while, literally waiting for my parts.
Yeah, so Hong Kong, hopefully.
And like, I don't see a point in taking apart the perfectly working car before I have, before like I can't put it back together.
It's a pleasure thing. You want to still be able to drive this before you tear it down.
I take it to work sometimes. I take it.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's a drive.
When I'm feeling risky.
Yeah, feeling risky.
Commuting in the Datsun.
Low key hoping it breaks down on the way so that we don't have to go to work.
Sorry guys, I've used it as an excuse before. Like,
Really?
To sleep in, like, oh, I took my other car. Just gotta figure out how to route. So the turbo is gonna sit down in here, and then just gotta run the piping back up to the intake right here. Pretty simple and straightforward.
Lots of room.
Just gonna use like cheap either eBay or AutoZone piping to make it.
Interesting. We'll see.
Not going for a pretty.
Yeah. I don't think...
First we're going for function, you know?
Yeah.
I just want to make cool noises, man. I want to make boost noises. It needs that much more power.
Just needs it that much. But leave a comment down below on how many exact days you think this turbo setup's going to last from the moment it runs to the moment it blows up. And if you guess it right, one guess per person. If you guess it right, I'll send a sticker your way for free.
I give it 3 polls.
3 polls.
I give it 3 polls.
Hopefully we can get 4. Honestly, let's shoot a little bit higher than 3.
I think it's just like I'm gonna have oil problems.
Okay, we'll see.
Not in the turbo. I just think it's gonna have trouble. Like I don't know, man. Something's gonna go boom. Honestly, I think the transmission of the diff goes before the engine.
Yeah, that's another thing that we were talking about. Yeah.
That's why I'm not gonna launch it or do burnouts.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Because that's the expensive part. Is like a whole new drivetrain that can actually handle horsepower. And,
yeah, you don't want to have to.
I just want the noises, man. Like granny shifting and like
gradual freeway pulls.
Just don't, you know. As long as I don't launch it.
Exactly. It's still gonna be sick as hell though.
Oh yeah.
With what you do with it, so.
It'll still be faster and sound cooler. So what's the
Yeah. So there's really no downside, honestly.
Straight pipe right now. Probably gonna stay that way.
Did you see that one comment on your Instagram? It was like, please cut the exhaust piping.
Hello.
Oh boy, we got Matt Spool Jr. pulling up here.
Where's your box?
Someone got a box. But did you see the comment on your Instagram? It was like, please cut the exhaust because it looks like the world's longest shift knob.
Didn't go viral. We thought we were gonna go viral, man.
Nothing to complain about. It's at like what, 60, 70?
It was a fun video.
We'll take it. We'll take it. That was fun. You think it's gonna shoot even more flames?
That's the idea, because I'm getting 370cc injectors.
Okay, yeah, it's gonna shoot more flames. It's
gonna be running really rich, but
hey.
So I don't use this thing for gas mileage.
What's this guy pulling out right here? Some goodies for the. Some goodies for the Subi.
Yeah.
Oh, way to go! Whoa!
Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Are those some sunglasses?
So, yeah, he's also a Subaru ambassador, so he said he might send out some other stuff.
Oh, no way.
Dude, no fucking way.
Oh, sick.
Oh, dude, check it out.
Oh, I'm finna try to cop.
Like, he's not even as stoked about the sunglasses. It's just like,
the main
attraction, right?
BCBR coilovers.
BCBR, not to be confused with
they're BC
Are
Racing.
Are they really?
They're BC Racing coilovers.
Oh,
BR
dude.
series.
Yeah.
Dude.
He's not sure what he's talking about. Yeah, the BR fully, like full 3-way piston. I don't even know. Fully adjustable dampening, all that stuff.
Dude.
Yeah, he got BC.
Dude.
Yeah.
Those are the best coilovers any of us have ever had.
I know.
Right? They're nicer than anything we've ever. Oh, dude, he
There's a
sent
lot
some
of
other
sunglasses.
Oh, dude,
can we just take a moment?
Wow.
Can we just take a moment to realize that
dude, I'm more
he has received the best stuff in the mail on this channel, and he's been in all of 7 videos.
Holy shit, man!
Holy crap!
He is on the thinnest budget, though. Let's be real.
Yeah, let's be real here.
So
Hey, let me cop a pair.
Yo, dude, let's do that.
Trying to get some blues. There we go. Some Subaru ones. Oh, and the bag, dude.
There's
the
so many bags in there.
The drawstring backpack.
Dude, it's
like a mat.
Dude, he's got floor mat coasters.
Oh my goodness, that's unbelievable. It's like a all-weather mat.
Dude,
but it's
you got your shopping totes.
Oh my god, bring that to Stater Brothers.
Dead ass, dude.
Here's a letter. Oh, his name is Nick M. Alright.
You didn't even know his name yet.
Hi JStar Cars, my name is Nick M. I love Subarus and watching your channel. I just got home from a 1-year army deployment overseas and bought my dream car 2005 Legacy GT.
Oh.
Smart man. I've been working on it ever since getting home, upgrading a bunch of parts. I love there's another Legacy on the channel, and I have been in contact with Matt Spool Jr. I have these BCBR coilovers that the previous owner said were on for 20,000 miles. Who knows if that's true or not, but he can have them. They rode pretty well. They're set up super dirt nasty low right now, so adjusting the height and preload will have to happen. Have fun and keep making videos. Instagram. ABC SEO.
There you go, right there.
All right.
These are actually in pretty good condition.
Thank
dude.
you so much, Nick.
Obviously, they're on, what did you ship them from? East Coast, Florida?
Georgia.
Georgia, yeah. But I mean, they're still clean, dude. They look in good shape.
Yeah, no, definitely. They're BCs too, so they last.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
They ain't no Racelands. Ain't gonna go bouncy on you after 2,500 miles.
Max speeding rods that are bouncy after 1 mile.
Hey, cheap coilover gang, let's go. Damn, the mad hookup right here. More tote bags, dude. You can go on a full trip to Stater Brothers now. Gotta go grocery shopping. We're gonna get some more content going out, especially with this and everything that's happening in between. We're gonna definitely try to get some more content.
Need
So
some parts, man.
honestly, it's just a parts
It's
game
not that we
right
don't
now.
want to make videos. We just none of us have parts.
None of us have parts, or if you're braining, you have a broken Corrado.
I can't see anything now.
Dude, the Subaru Clout is just thumbnail.
These are pretty sick. This sort of stole the show from oh no, my sunglasses.
Dude, these are
Sort of stole the show real quick from the 280, but it's all good.
It's
Nice
all good.
unboxing in the middle of this video. Nothing wrong with that. So sick.
Thank you, Nick.
Yeah.
it's pretty cool, man.
Hey, hey.
You're stealing your free shit.
Yeah. I'll take your card.
Hey. Just playing, man.
Look at this dude pulling up. Pulling up, just taking away everything from the 280 video. The disrespect. Oh, he's a fucking cop. We really could run 2 episodes at once. That ass could. But anyways, I'm filming an outro this video, so y'all better be appreciative of it and hit that like button. Ooh, that was sly. That was sly. We're ending the video right now, so hope you guys all enjoyed. Good stuff coming. Like we said, got to wait on some parts, but we got some other good stuff coming. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you all enjoyed.
Link in the description.
Yep, pick up a Matt Spool sticker. I think we mentioned it on the first day. So pick
Yeah.
one up. Helps out this build tremendously. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video.
In the next video.